is the Coriolis effect? The Coriolis effect is created by Earth's rotation and deflects an object's motion perpendicular to the axis of rotation. The Coriolis effect impacts an object's motion differently in the northern and southern hemisphere. In the northern hemisphere, moving objects are deflected to the right, and in the southern hemisphere, moving objects are deflected to the left. This causes a counterclockwise rotation in the northern hemisphere and a clockwise rotation in the southern hemisphere. Air and water circulation are both altered by the Coriolis effect, but in this video we will focus solely on air circulation. The deflection occurs in relation to the direction the air is moving. So air moving towards the equator in the northern hemisphere is pushed right, but appears to be pushed left from an overhead view.
The impact of the Coriolis effect on wind varies significantly with latitude. In fact, the Coriolis effect is zero at the equator and is maximized at the poles. As air moves poleward, it interacts with cooler air and cools down, and as the Coriolis effect pushes it to the side, it begins to circulate back towards the equator and warm up, where it begins the cycle of Hadley cell circulation again. The Coriolis effect directly produces major weather systems like hurricanes. In tropical areas of latitude 0 to 30 degrees, when warm, moist air rises over the ocean, it is replaced by cooler air. This cooler air then begins to gain moisture and heat and also rises. This perpetual cycle is what leads to hurricanes, because due to the presence of the Coriolis effect, the weather systems it forms begin to spin. If the conditions are right and the speed gets fast enough, a hurricane will form. The Coriolis effect prevents hurricanes from crossing over the equator. Their rotations pull them away from the equator, so they can't cross and change wind direction.